I was looking for sort of a multi-tool for hair. So nose hair, eyebrows, maybe the peach fuzz here on my cheeks. And so I found this 2-in-1 groomer. And so I am going to open it up and just see. I've not opened it yet, but I have a feeling it's going to be exactly what I need based on the reviews that I read. So let's see what it does. We've got the actual trimmer. We've got one additional attachment, and then a cleaning brush. And it is USB-C chargeable, which I love. Why aren't all of our little appliances USB-C? I know they're all kind of going that way, so I love that. So let's open it up and see what we got. So the cap is magnetic. That's cool. I love that. And then I haven't charged it, but usually these come with a charge. So let's just see. Oh yeah. So it tells me what the charge amount is. This one's at 100% when I received it. And then this is the nose hair trimmer. I don't have a whole lot of nose hair, but oh, I got a little bit. But, ooh, that tickles. But what I like even more is, let me get this off of here. Oh, okay, got it. Okay, so this little head here just twists, pops right off, and then the other piece just pops right on. And so this piece, you can use it for several things. So you have a tiny little trimmer, if you can see that on that side. And that would be great for like just cleaning up your eyebrows and just making them, like they used to say, on fleek. And then this side is a little bit longer of a cutter. And this would be what you use for your peach fuzz. And from what I understand, I'm not a real big makeup wearer, but I do know that makeup doesn't sit as smooth on peach fuzz and just our natural hair on our face. Nothing out of the ordinary, just, white colored or light colored hair. So using something like this to remove that peach fuzz helps makeup to go on just smoother on your face. So obviously there's 3, they call this a 2-in-1 grooming kit, but it's 3 because you've got your nose hair trimmer, your eyebrow trimmer, and then your baby hair trimmer. So yeah, I think that this will do exactly what I need it to do in the places that I need it to do it. The other thing that I was thinking is this nose hair portion. You could really use it in your ears as well if you have any little baby hairs. And as a midlife girly, we know that we get hair in places that we don't expect sometimes. So I think that this tool will be very handy. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope you enjoy your 2-in-1 tool.